Hey guys, today is a big day. We're gonna talk about one of the greatest snacks to enjoy that big screen experience or that at-home movie night. You know, it's honestly one of my favorite snacks and it's popcorn. But I have a little issue with popcorn. It's just that when you make it and you're in your PJs about to watch one of your favorite movies, it's like, it's never as good as theater popcorn. But then when you go to the theater and you buy popcorn, it like costs way too much that it's like either the same or more than the price of the ticket. It's ridiculous. We're going to address this pressing matter so that you're well equipped the next time you want to enjoy that film. The side note, Adrian and I do not encourage the breaking of any company policies a theater might have. So if you get caught bringing outside food in, that's on you, okay? Don't come at us with that crap saying that we said it's cool. It's not cool. Follow the rules, but if you get away with it, cool. But, you know, if you get caught, that's on you. Don't put it on us.
But before we get into making the greatest popcorn you've ever had, welcome to all of our new friends here on Adventures with Carlyon. We are all about pursuing our passions and improving just a little bit every day, or maybe a lot, hopefully. But if you're all about living your dream life now and pursuing your passions and living your best life, then hit the subscribe and the bell and join our adventures.
So you're asking yourself why you need to even be making your own popcorn on the stove. Why can't you just buy that microwavable one? But honestly, that stuff's for amateurs. And you, my friend, are no amateur.
Plus, the textures, POT, people of texture, and the flavor and flavors of making your own popcorn always win.
It's a simple procedure and honestly doesn't take that much longer than the microwave stuff, and it's so much more worth it. But there is a little secret ingredient, and we did talk about that secret ingredient in another video. So that link is somewhere at the top there that you can probably catch and should watch.
Let us know in the comments what your favorite movie is. And if you're eager to get this popcorn started, then let's go to the kitchen right now.
To make popcorn, you're going to need clarified butter, popcorn kernels, and some salt. First, we're going to melt 3 tablespoons of clarified butter in a big old pot on medium-high heat. We're going to add about 1/3 cup of popcorn kernels. Place your lid right on top and make sure it's cracked so some of the steam can escape, and gently swirl the whole pot until all of the popcorn kernels have popped. Listen for it, wait until there's no more popping sounds, and unload into your bowl. Now, what is tasty popcorn without some extra butter? We're going to take at least 3 tablespoons of clarified butter, give it a good melt, and then pour it right onto the bowl of popcorn. Give it a healthy, sprinkly pinch of some salt, and give it a good toss, and enjoy your beautiful bowl of tasty popcorn. So that's how you make tasty popcorn at home. But wait, there's more! This is just the base recipe to up your popcorn game, and we want you to take it to the next level. So in the next video, we're going to be showing you how to do that. So make sure you click the subscribe, hit the bell, and follow us on this popcorn journey.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs like if you're all about upping your popcorn game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye!